Hi, we are doing logarithm. Solve for x and y if x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. Log xy is equal to log x by y plus 2 log 2 is equal to 2. So we have two equations. You can see there are two equal to signs over here. So first we will take this one. Log xy is equal to log x by y plus 2 log 2. You can take any of the equations like log xy is equal to 2 and this log x by y plus 2 log 2 is equal to 2. Any which way you can start your solving. So I have taken this log xy is equal to log x by y plus 2 log 2. You use the law over here, that is n log a is equal to log a raised to the power n. So log xy to xy only, log x by y plus log 2 square. Fine. Log xy is equal to log x by y plus log 4. Again we will use the law, that is log a plus log b is log a into b. So log xy will remain log xy and this will become log x by y into 4. Now both the side it is log, right? So this will become xy is equal to 4x by y, right? Now this side also x, this side also x. So x and x can get cancelled or bring x to the other side, whichever way you want to do. Y goes to the other side, it becomes y square is equal to 4. That means y square is equal to 4. What will happen? Y is equal to square root of 4. This we know. Now y is plus minus 2. Square root of 4 is plus minus 2. But in the question if it is y is greater than 0. So what we will do? We will take only therefore y is equal to 2 as y is greater than 0 given. It's given in the sum. Fine. Now what we will do? We got y ka value. Now we can use the second condition. That is, now use second condition. Log xy is equal to 2. Right? Now we know if there is no base, the base is 10. And log 100 to the base 10 is 2. Why so? Because log 100 can be written 10 square. 10 over here is equal to 2. This 2 comes in front according to the rule which we saw above is equal to 2 log 10 to the base 10. This is 1. Any log to the same base is 1. So this will turn out to be 2. This is just to make you understand. So log xy to the base 10 is equal to log 100 to the base 10. That is xy is equal to 100. Now putting the value of y in xy is equal to 100. What we got? X into 2 is equal to 100. So x is 100 divided by 2, that is 50. Here I have taken first these two equation and then log xy is equal to 2. Fine. And then I got the value of x.